Um, so I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna make a healthy chocho salad today from Chef Ricardo. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do. So first thing, get yourself some mixed leaf. What we're going to do is cut up these very small. Alright. Once you cut it up small, put it on a plate. Because I washed them off and air dry them, so they're still just like this. So this is some mixed leaf which I'm going to be using. So you also want to make sure you have mixed leaf at home to work with, alright? Nice one. So once you cut up your leaves, got some spinach in it, put this aside. What we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of a rice on top of it like this. So if you're a person who loves rice with salad, it's gonna come really handy for you. Just simple. Mix it through. Alright. Next one. Yeah. So next, what we're going to do, we got some radish. Alright, gonna get my radish. And also got one chocho. Just cut it off. Alright, because you know that chocho can eat raw. A lot of people doesn't know that. What you want to do, you just want to simply remove the skin from the chocho. And let's put this one side. Now, can I work with the gloves? So I'm gonna have to remove that one. Nice one. So you just wanna put some radish on top of it. Nice one. Got a medium-sized tomato. I like to use a smaller knife when I'm cutting things. Just gonna put that beautiful, yep, that's lovely. Now this is the chocho. So what you want to do, organic style. Just want to simple spin this on top of it. Anyway, I have some gherkins. I love gherkins. So I'm always eating gherkins. I don't know why, but I just love it. Got some chocha. Nice one. So look at that. Beautiful and lovely. Alright, now some black pepper. Got some chili. This is some pumpkin seed. This is some chia seed, very good for weight loss. I'm gonna put a teaspoon. Alright, now what you want to do, guys, to be honest, you need to do this very, very good. Alright. This is just an amazing. This one which I'm gonna share it to you. So you put a little bit of vinegar into the pan like that. And a little bit of oil. I'm using some olive oil. You can use coconut oil or whatever oil I like to use. Some lime juice. Nice one. Little pepper. You can crush on a garlic and put in it if you want. Just use a spoon and just simple give it a little mix. Alright. Just put it on top of it. Beautiful Jason. you like the recipe, yeah, please now it's just to finish it off with a little bit of a color on top. Alright, so basically if you're a family at home, then you can just make this little salad. Alright, let's finish it off with some color on top. Nice and lovely. Look at that. Beautiful recipe, guys. Alright, if you like it, please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. I have a lot more recipes will be coming from Chef Ricardo TV. Beautiful one from Chef Ricardo today. Look at that. And an amazing. So easy and simple. Alright, that's exactly what we're talking about. Now,